Hello, Diamond Wolves. Thomas Diamond Wolf here. It is 3:35 a.m. Here to let everybody know that school is coming up really soon, and I think my days of filming videos is going to be cut short probably, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to do Bloodline Wrestling or all that other shit. Furthermore, before I go to bed, I want to let everybody know, just in case that what I told you guys earlier about my phone was acting up. You see, if my phone does break, if this phone does break, and if I can't get my channel back, and if this is the last time you guys will see me, I will retire from YouTube if I lose this YouTube channel. And if this channel gets disabled, I am retiring from YouTube. Like, I'm done. Like, I am so fucking done. And all these other people from these old-fashioned Diamond Wolves keeps coming to my channel when I don't want to see their fucking face no more. You guys know who the fuck y'all are. So do me a favor. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck off. Go fuck with somebody else, for fuck's sake. I'm not doing this bullshit no more with y'all. Okay? So do me a favor. Go fuck yourselves. And never return to this channel. I'm done. Cause y'all guys know who the fuck y'all are. Y'all the reason why my two channels got disabled. And it was because of y'all. You guys know who the hell y'all are. And if you guys don't go leave this channel for good, I'm gonna have to do it the fucking hard way. And that is somehow do my best to maybe contact YouTube or do something to report your ass and get the hell off my channel. And if you guys comment on my videos and ask who are the peoples, I'ma let y'all know. But anyways, that's it for now. This is Thomas Diamond Wolf here. Wolf out.